Hello, today I will show you how to change your screen recorder sound settings. First, you will need to lower the drop-down menu, lower it again. Go into the screen recorder menu or screen recorder settings by simply tapping and holding the screen recorder button. Now, while in here, you're gonna see many options. Simply go into the screen recording section and tap on record sound. Here you can choose between none, media and media and mic to choose the different input directions for your screen recorder. While tapping media, it will record simply your applications and your microphone will be not recorded. Media and microphone, media and mic will in this mode it will also record your voice or anything else you wish to record, and while tapping none it will be silent. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.